Good. Her tail's going. She flips into another gear. There it is. Got it. Good dog. Back. Nice job, dude.
Here my dumbass is trying to fucking cock it like a pump.
So you saw her do the thing.
Yep.
And so now you know what she looks like. Here! Good dog. Here. Here.
Nice rooster.
There might be another one in there. Here. Cleo, here. Cleo. Cleo. Good dog. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's a good girl. It's a good give. Oh, shit. Oh, there's your tail feathers. Give. Give. Shouldn't have picked up.
That one.
Nope, but you can have all the feathers. They look pretty.
I already got a nice one mounted. That looked pretty similar to that, actually.
Oh, I don't mount. I mount them on the dinner plate.
That was my first present, so
Oh, dude, I totally understand. So these should be here.
Yep.
So if you, everybody on your YouTube land, that's what it would have looked like, which is a nice rooster. Public land bird in Wisconsin. Good girl, Cleo. Good dog. Boy, did we leave a fucking mess here. First bird in this bag. Can I get it in there? It's in there. So that went perfectly. We missed on our first shot, so it kind of sucked, but we got it.